Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool mitt right here, and basically what this is the high pressure handheld shower head. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand, you can see in the bottom right here they mention how there's 6 different adjustable settings on here. And for the one that we got right here, it is a chrome design, but they do have this available in other color and other design as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first I'm going to open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So they provide guys a stainless steel hose, and they also provide guys a washer inside. There's a total of 4 of them. Right here they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up. And right here we do have a protection layer. So if you guys take it out, right underneath that you can see we do have the actual product. So right here we see they provide guys a tape that you can use to stick it on to prevent any kind of leakage. And right here we do have some accessory and some washer as well. Right here they provide guys adjustable mount holder. And if you guys notice in the back, this part right here is adjustable. So that way you can move it around if you guys want to. It might take some strength for you guys to move it around because it's kind of tight. I believe the material that's on here is stainless steel. And then last but not least, we do have the actual shower head. You can see this is what the product looks like right here. And the bottom part is where you guys want to insert it into the shower hose. And here's what the back part looks like. So the way how you can adjust different settings or the spray option is by pulling this option right here. So that is how you guys switch it. So for each one you guys push, that is how you guys know which setting you're using. And obviously once you guys do set it all up, it'll be a lot easier for you guys to see which one is which. So that is everything that's included in the package. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how it works and what the product looks like when you guys actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so here is our shower head. So let me actually set it up to show you guys how it works. So the first thing I want to set up is this part right here. And when you guys do set it up, you have to make sure you guys stick on the tape on there first. Because if you guys don't stick on the tape, it'll actually leak. That's what the tape is for. So once you guys take out the cap, you guys want to screw it on. Alright, so that should be good. And if you guys notice, once we set it up, this part here is adjustable to different angles like I mentioned. But I'll keep it here for now. Once you guys set this part, what you're going to do is set up the shower hose, which is this one right here. So inside the shower hose, this is what the product looks like. And it also probably got some of these washers that you can put in each end. So we're going to take out 2 of them. Alright, so I'm going to put one right here. And then I'm going to screw it in. Twist it in as tight as possible. Once you guys got that part set up, what you're going to do is get the shower head. So what you're going to do is get the other washer and put it inside. Once you guys do that, you guys can screw it in the bottom right here. Alright, so once you guys got it all set up, you guys stick it on top. And then once you guys fully set it up, this is what the product looks like. So now we are ready to start using it. So I'm going to turn it on to test it out to see how it works. So I'm going to push this side towards the wall so that way it won't spray all over the place. Alright, so we got it all set up. Let's turn it on and test it out to see how it works. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. So this is mode number 1. If you twist this part right here, now it's mode number 2. Mode number 3. Mode number 4. And mode number 5. And then the other mode, when you guys turn it all the way, that is like a low pressure mode or no water at all. So I'm not going to show you guys what I mean. If you push it all the way, you can see if there's no water coming out. But this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. And it's really cool how to give you guys the option to actually take it out like this if you guys want to. That way you can aim certain part of your body if you guys want to, which is really convenient. And that way you can wash the wall if you guys want to like this as well. But this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test the product and definitely see actually does work and should work quite well. If you see the whole setup process didn't take that long, once you guys set everything up in terms of the shower hose, the shower head, and everything else, you can see that definitely does work. I do love everything that's included in this set in terms of all different functionalities and etc. Let me see if in the test they definitely have all different spray options on here. And I love the option of how you guys can use as a handheld shower head, so that way you can aim different part of your body if you guys want to. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality handheld shower head that has all the different specs and benefits that's on this product as well. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.